and welcome to EverLogic Training. My name is Jennifer Fuel. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today, where we will learn how to download and install EverLogic DMS onto your computer. First, you will want to go to everlogic.com/install. A link will be in the description. Click Download the software and save it to your desktop, or click the download icon. EverLogic DMS Installer.msi will begin downloading. If the download does not begin instantly, you may need to right-click the download link and click Open in a new tab. In Google Chrome, it will appear in the bottom left of the Open tab. Click it to open when it is done downloading. If you are using Microsoft Edge, click Open File in the top right of the screen when it finishes downloading. If you are using Firefox, you can find the download similarly in the top right of the browser. If you cannot find the file in these ways, it is likely located in your Downloads folder, where you can double-click the file to run it. When you run the installer, Windows Defender may pop up. It is a default setting in Defender that activates whenever you run software downloaded from the internet. Click on More Info. This will give you the option to run the software. Click Run Anyway to start the installation. When the installer displays, click Next. Check the Accept Terms in the License Agreement checkbox, then click Next and click Install. Allow the software installation to run, and when it is complete, click Finish. Log in with your dealer name, user, and password. Allow the EverLogic updater to run. This may take several minutes. Click the Login button again. You will be directed to your EverLogic landing page. And that's it. That concludes our lesson on downloading and installing EverLogic DMS to your computer. On behalf of myself and everyone here at EverLogic, thank you so much for taking the time away from your busy schedule to join us today. And if you have any questions, please contact us here at EverLogic. Thank you and have a great day.